In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Exness account leverage to unlimited. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to make sure the change shows up in your trading platform. First, log into your Exness personal area. You can do this on the web or through the mobile app. Use whichever you prefer. Once you're in, you'll see your list of trading accounts. Choose the specific account you want to modify. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one that's eligible for unlimited leverage, as availability can vary by account type, region, and instrument. If you don't see the option later, it likely means that particular account isn't eligible. Next, head into the account settings. On the web, click Account Settings. In the app, tap on the account to open its details. Look for the Leverage or Change Leverage option. This is where you control the leverage level applied to that account. Now, open the Leverage dropdown and select one Unlimited. This tells Exness you want the maximum available leverage. Keep in mind, unlimited refers to the highest possible leverage under normal conditions, but dynamic margin requirements may still apply during high volatility, news events, or for certain symbols. It's important to understand how leverage affects margin and risk. Higher leverage amplifies both gains and losses, so use it with a solid risk management plan. After selecting one, Unlimited, click Confirm to apply the change. On mobile, you'll tap to confirm. Most of the time, this update takes effect almost instantly on the account level. If you're trading on MT4 or MT5 and the platform prompts you, restart it to refresh the account parameters. Closing and reopening the platform ensures the new leverage is recognized by the terminal and reflected in margin calculations. If you weren't prompted but still don't see the change, a quick restart or relogin can help the platform catch up. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Verify you're changing leverage on the correct account, especially if you keep separate accounts for different strategies. If Unlimited doesn't appear in the drop-down, that account may not meet the conditions for it. In that case, choose a supported leverage level for now, or check the account's requirements in your personal area. That's it. Log in, select your account, open account settings, choose change leverage, pick one. Unlimited, confirm, and restart MT4 or MT5 if prompted. You're all set to trade with your updated leverage.